Welcome to Midnight Hell. I'm your host, Midnight. Today, we're embarking on an intriguing journey into a topic that's stirred debate across centuries, a flat Earth. We'll be delving into the concept, exploring its origins and assessing the scientific evidence that counters this theory. We'll be your guide through this labyrinth of theories and facts, debunking myths and unveiling truths. So fasten your seatbelts as we dive into the depths of this fascinating topic. The Flat Earth Theory, a belief that dates back to ancient civilizations. It's an intriguing concept that has been a part of human history for centuries, passed down from generation to generation. But where did this idea originate from? Let's delve into the past to unravel this mystery. The Flat Earth Theory is as old as civilization itself. Ancient cultures, from the Egyptians to the Greeks, all had their own interpretations of our planet. They looked to the horizon, saw a flat line, and concluded the Earth was a flat disk. This was their reality, their truth, shaped by their observations and understandings of the world around them. The concept was simple. They believed the Earth was a flat plane or disk, with the Arctic or North Pole in the center. Surrounding the Earth was a gigantic wall of ice, what we now know as Antarctica. To them, this wall of ice was the boundary of our world, holding the oceans back from spilling into the abyss. Above this flat Earth, they envisioned the heavens, a canopy of celestial bodies moving in complex patterns. The sun, moon, stars and planets were seen as divine entities, each moving in their own designated path across the sky. This belief was not limited to any one culture or region. It was a universal understanding that transcended borders and language barriers. From the far reaches of China to the vast expanses of Africa, the Earth was flat, and that was the reality for the people of those times. But as we progressed, science provided us with tools to challenge this belief. We began to question, to observe, to explore. We started to see that the world was not as it appeared. The horizon was not a straight line but a curve. The stars were not just dots in the sky, but distant suns. And the Earth, our home, was not flat, but a sphere. A beautiful, blue sphere, spinning in the vast expanse of space. But as we progressed, science provided us with tools to challenge this belief. Science has always been about questioning and investigating the world around us. And when it comes to the shape of our planet, the scientific evidence overwhelmingly supports the idea that the Earth is a sphere, not flat. Let's start with the curvature of the Earth. Have you ever watched a ship sail off into the horizon? As it moves away, the ship appears to sink, starting from the bottom, and eventually leaving only the top of the mast visible. This is due to the curvature of the Earth, a phenomenon that would not occur if the Earth were flat. Next, let's consider gravity, a force that pulls everything towards the center of mass. Now, if the Earth were flat, gravity would pull everything towards the center, resulting in an uneven force. This means that as you move farther away from the center, gravity would pull you sideways towards the center, not straight down. But that's not what we experience, is it? No matter where we stand on Earth, gravity pulls us straight towards the ground, supporting the idea that the Earth is a sphere. And let's not forget about the images of Earth from space. Since the mid-20th century, humans have been sending satellites and astronauts into space. These missions have provided us with countless images of our planet from different angles, and guess what? They all show a spherical Earth. If the Earth were flat, these images would look very different. Moreover, during lunar eclipses, when the Earth passes between the Sun and the Moon, the shadow cast by our planet is always round. This round shadow would be impossible if Earth was a flat disk. And lastly, consider the flight paths of airplanes. They're planned based on the fact that the Earth is a sphere. Long-haul flights take a curved path as it's the shortest distance between 2 points on a globe, which would not be the case if the Earth were flat. All these evidences strongly suggest that our Earth is not flat, but a sphere. Despite overwhelming evidence, some still believe in a flat Earth. Why is that? It's a question that puzzles many of us, and the answer might be more complex than you think. One of the main reasons is misinformation. In the age of the internet, misinformation can spread rapidly and widely, often outpacing the spread of accurate information. Some people stumble upon flat Earth theories online, presented convincingly and with what appears to be solid evidence. It's easy to see how someone might be swayed if they don't have a strong understanding of the scientific principles that prove our planet is round. Conspiracy theories also play a significant role. The flat Earth theory often goes hand in hand with belief in a grand conspiracy by governments and scientific institutions to hide the truth. This ties into a broader issue of distrust in established authorities, which is not limited to the shape of our planet. Many flat earthers are skeptical of anything presented as an established fact by the mainstream scientific community. So why does the flat earth theory persist? It's a mixture of misinformation, conspiracy theories, and a general distrust in scientific institutions. This isn't just about proving the earth is round. It's about understanding why people believe what they do, and how we can communicate scientific facts more effectively. Only by understanding the roots of these beliefs can we hope to address them effectively. Understanding why these beliefs persist helps us address them more effectively. As we come to a close, it's clear that the Earth isn't flat, but a beautiful sphere. We've delved deep into the flat Earth theory, its origins, and its perpetuation in contemporary discourse. We've also explored the overwhelming scientific evidence that definitively proves our planet is a sphere, from the way ships disappear over the horizon to the round shadow the Earth casts during a lunar eclipse. It's crucial to remember that the pursuit of knowledge is a journey, not a destination. The importance of critical thinking and scientific inquiry cannot be overstated. It's what leads us to question, to explore, to learn, and ultimately to understand the world around us. Before we sign off, we'd love to hear your thoughts on this topic. Share them in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Midnight Hell. Midnight out.